You're looking for a mini street light, put it at the boatyard by your RV, take camping and hang on a tree to light the area up dusk to dawn, or have light from 25, 50, 75, or 100%, or put it on a motion detection. So when motion is activated, this light may be something that you are looking for. With the remote control that will work, we're going to show you what this product is about. From the company Atoechie, it's 144B, the LED 6500 Kelvin mini street light. As we unbox the street light, it's a 2-mode street light. Comes with everything that you see here. Remote control, 2 AAA batteries, hardware, the pole angled, the 120-degree 2-mode with 100% and off and 30% to 100% mode. What we're going to do is demonstrate over here and go out and hang the light and show you what it looks like in the evening hour. Find a spot to hang and simply put the screws, anchors, dollies in and screw down. Level the pole and lock into place. With the pole placed on with the screws, top and bottom, lock on. In the pilot hole, place on the screw and secure it down into place. Place in the sun, charge the unit for up to 6 to 8 hours. The on and off button turns the unit on and off. We have the off and on button located here. We have a 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% control. We have a 3, 5, and 4-hour timer, and mode 1 and mode 2, and an auto dusk to dawn. This is 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% light. In the dawn hours, when the light is shine on top, the light will shut down. In the dusk hours, when it gets dull, the light will light up. When walking towards the PIR sensor, the light would trigger to 100%. In mode 1, 30% to 100%. Mode 1 or 2, from 0% to 100%. And we'll demonstrate that in a low-level light. Find a location to hang your street light and allow the sun to hit it all day. Turn on the unit and allow it to charge all day. We have the light is in the off position. As we turn on the light, we have on auto. We can adjust 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. We are going to change to mode number 1. It is in the off position. Until it detects motion, it will light up. 15 seconds, it shuts down and lights back up when motion is detected within the PIR sensor. Mode number 2, it'll dim down to 30 seconds, detect motion, and light up to 100% when detected. The 5D joystick will not work in mode 1 or mode 2, but in auto, it'll work. It is a dusk to dawn mini street light. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.